Want to give your character a new outfit? That usually means remodeling, re-rigging, and re-animating from scratch. Sounds exhausting, right? Today's workflow shows you how to use V2Fun Blender to compress the entire process into just a few minutes, giving your character total freedom to change outfits. Part 1. Character modeling and motion rigging. Step 1. Open V2Fun. Go to the modeling workspace, upload your character image, select the new 8K texture option, and click Generate Model. Here's a key detail. Make sure to generate a T-pose model. This makes rigging and motion transfer much easier later on. If your original image isn't in a standard T-pose, no worries. V2Fun's new reference optimization feature has you covered. Just toggle on standard pose, and it'll automatically generate a T-pose model for you. Once the model is ready, click the rigging button in the bottom right corner and adjust the bone points according to the guide. Once the rig looks good, now let's bring the character to life. In Upload Motion, select Video Extraction and upload a reference video. We recommend a clip at least 5 seconds long. Anything shorter might not capture enough frames, and the motion could end up choppy. Once uploaded, go back to the Motion library, find your video under Uploads, and click Use to transfer the extracted motion directly onto your character model. When the transfer is done, download it as a GLB file. Part 2. One-click outfit swap, batch generation. Next, we'll start changing the character's outfit. By tweaking the prompt and referencing your first model, you can swap outfits and generate different looks for your character. Once the new outfit is generated, click Generate Multi-View first. Having a complete set of multi-view references helps the model capture back details and patterns much more accurately. With the multi-view images ready, model from those, then repeat the process. Same character, different outfit, same motion. Download each version as a GLB file, and just like that, you've got a full batch of outfit swap animation assets. Part 3. Scene building. With the model and motion sorted, it's time to build the scene. We start back in V2Fun for the scene image. When writing your prompt, focus on a few key points: isometric view, diorama style, and a floating platform to anchor the composition. Once you've got an image you're happy with, use multi-view modeling. Then bring the model into Blender to check it out. Here's something you'll notice. After modeling, the sand base is missing. No problem. Head back to V2Fun and generate the sand separately. Same process. Text to image first, then model. Prompt tip: C4D style beach, sand only 3D isometric view. Once that's done, go back to Blender and combine the sand with the building scene. Next, let's set up the lighting. Start by creating a new material for lighting preview and temporarily assign it to every object in the scene. This makes previewing much faster. Add a new sky texture and tweak the override material and sky texture settings a bit to get a clearer preview. Then download and import an HDR environment map, adjust it to whatever lighting effect you like. And remove the override material. To add more atmosphere, create a cube and adjust its material properties to build a volumetric fog effect. Finally, fine-tune the overall scene and lighting. For this one, I wanted a more open, sun-drenched beach vibe, so I adjusted the camera angle and lighting to give the outfit reveal shots a brighter, more summery feel. Add some background music and your outfit swap animation is complete. Follow me for more advanced AI plus 3D workflows.